One of the great new features that Squarespace has added recently is saved sections. There's nothing worse than having one section that you were going to use on multiple pages of your website and having to create that section over and over again. Now, with saved sections, you can literally create that section one time, save it, and never have to create it again. This will save you literally hours and hours of time. Let's jump on over to my screen and I'll show you how to do this right now. So we're here on the services page of a website that I'm building for one of my current clients. And we're going to scroll down to a section that I've created that I'm going to use on multiple pages. So I'm going to go into edit mode and go down to that section. And so like this will be dropped at the bottom of their services page, their about page, their FAQs page, and so on. Like this is what they want their clients to do when they come to their website. They're wanting their clients to book a visit, to book an appointment with them. So we're going to put that call to action in as many places as we possibly can. So it would be a pain to have to build this image block and a couple of text blocks and the button block and set the alignment of it up and make sure that it's exactly as it is on all the other pages and do that over and over again. But with the saved sections feature that Squarespace has now, it's literally as simple as like once you get your section set the way that you like it, all you have to do is in this menu here, hit the heart to save the section. You'll see it's grayed out now because it's already saved. And so now we can exit from editor mode and we can go to about. I'm going to go on over to the staff page and I'm going to go into edit mode and I'm going to go down here. So this is their staff. I've got some drop downs here for their bio information. So I'm just going to go to add section and then I'm going to go right here to save sections. And there it is. I just select it and then there it is. I no longer have to add section and start completely over. It's right there and I can do that on every single page. I want to make sure I hit save and it's good now. So if you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.